Hello Simagicians, I'm Alvin, and today I'm here with the brand new Neo X Hub, and I'll be taking you through the unbox today, seeing what's inside, as well as taking you some of its highlights and its features. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. Firstly, you'll be greeted with, of course, the accessories pack, the Neo X quick guide, and of course, some stickers, USB Type-C cable, the Neo X Hub, the protection cap. Obviously, with the Neo X being a wheel hub, you will need a wheel rim to go along with it in order to use. So, here for demonstrating purpose, I've had a P330R round rim here with me, and I'm going to put it on the Neo X. So now let's fit the wheel on it and let's see how it looks. So now, as you can see here, with the wheel fitted, the Neo X is now ready for action. But of course, with the Neo X being a UP+ product, there are upgrade modules available for the Neo X. So what I have here is the dual paddle shifter module for the Neo X available as an upgrade. So now let's unbox this shifter module and let's see what's inside. Okay, so upon opening the box, you'll firstly be greeted with a quick guide. And then remove the foam cover, and then you can see that's on the inside. The one that I have here is the dual paddle shifter module, which includes 3 different types of shifter paddle materials, as well as the clutch paddle. For those of you who are getting a single paddle module, you will get everything except for the clutch paddles at the bottom here. So we want to take these out. And then with the shifter modules itself, and as well as the accessory. Now, these paddles do not come with the paddles installed, so you have to install them manually. So, for demonstrating purposes of fitting on the Neo X, I'll be picking, I think, the carbon fiber module, because why not? Now let's put these on and see how it looks. So now I want to talk you through some of the key highlights for the Neo X wheel hub. The first thing being its compatibility. With the nature of it being a wheel hub, it is essential for the Neo X to be widely compatible. We achieve that by having a 6x70mm bolt pattern, which is the most universal bolt pattern for most real rims, allowing you to fit it on the Neo X hub with ease. Aside from that, you also get the mat link compatibility, which is also available on the GT Neo, now is available on the Neo X. So if you are owner of a third-party wheelbase, you can use the Neo X on that wheelbase, no problem. And the mat link also allows you to use SimHub, which is also supported on the Neo X wheel hub, allowing you to enjoy the Neo X to its fullest potential. Another highlight of the Neo X hub, it is ergonomic design, which is naturally more challenging for a wheel hub. But for the Neo X, we have specially designed its button and encoder layout, meaning that for most rims, buttons and encoders can be reached and operated with relatively less movement and adjustments. Aside from that, we obviously have the new shifter modules, which not only has different shapes of paddles that suits different hand profiles, but also provide multiple displacement adjustments, allows the wheel to be better suited for you. The third feature on the Neo X is its customization. Just like the GT Neo X allows you to customize the buttons and encoder lightings from brightness to colors, all the way to telemetries like ABS, TC triggerings, flags, and etc. And with the new shifter modules, the shifter modules themselves also have a lot of adjustment options, such as paddle materials and displacement, giving you room and freedom to really dial in, making it look and operate in your preference. It is also worth mentioning that for those of you who owns the GT Neo the new shifter module is fully compatible, meaning that for the shifter module and the shifter pedals that is included, you can fit it on the GT Neo no problem, and they will be fully functional. So with all that out of the way, let's plug it in and see how it is in the actual driving scenario. I'll be out for now, as usual. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on various social media platforms if you haven't already. Until then, keep racing, Simagicians.